Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to talk you through a foundation which I bet the majority of you don't know about, and it's this one here, and it's called HD Puff, and this is from a company called Mac Pro in Paris, MAQPRO. Now they are a beautiful company, a lovely company, and they make the most amazing, and I mean amazing makeup products for film and television and print. They're incredible. So the HD Puff is a cream to powder foundation. I've got it on here. I've not powdered it. It is self-powdering. It goes on impeccably. Now this is perfect for HD work, print work, everyday streetwear. It gives the skin a flawless, a flawless appearance. I picked this up last year because I've always used their Fard, their original cream, and I picked this up last year and it has been incredible. Just, to me, it's perfectly suited for those of us with more oily skin or combination to oily skin. The original Fard is much better for all skin types, particularly dry, but the Puff, much better for combination to oily skin. And the fact that you don't have to powder it, it's entirely up to you. The fact that it is so flawless, and it comes in multiple shades. I mean, you can get them as singles. This one here has got a lot more correctors in, and you've got some blush colors here, which you can make into concealers or correctors. It is amazing, and I wanted to showcase it because it is such a unique product. Let me know what you think. If you've tried it, if you've been to their shop is lovely. Alan, by the way, is just an absolute sweetheart. And there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.